Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. We're looking at a short story and we're up to a main element in the short story, point of view. Point of view simply means how is the story told. Okay? So how is the story told? And essentially there are two main ways we can tell a story. One way is through first person narration. What's first person narration? Well, I'll tell you. First person always has to do with I. I walked down the road. I looked up. I saw the flying saucers. They were coming straight at me. You are involved in that story. You are the first person, I. Your story is going to be seen through your eyes. Another way we can write our story, or we can tell our story, is through third person, which can be a person, Tim, or Diana, or whoever. So, Tim was walking down the road. Tim saw the flying saucers heading towards him. He screamed and began to run. Now, in that story, it's a little different because we know everything that's going to happen to Tim. That's why sometimes third person narration is often called omniscient. O-M-N-I-S-C-I-E-N-T. Omniscient means like a god, all-knowing. So in your story, you are the god, you create a character, and your character experiences what you want the character to experience. So, point of view can be written through first person, where you are involved in the story, I, or third person, where you're writing about somebody, Tim. Okay? Great. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.